To share the Semrush social media toolkit, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Social Media Toolkit section. This toolkit is designed to help you manage and optimize your social media presence across various platforms. First, click on the Social Media Toolkit tab and select the project you want to work on. If you have not set up a project yet, you will need to create one by clicking on the Setup button and following the prompts. Once you have selected your project, you will see an overview of your social media performance, including metrics such as engagement, reach, and audience growth. To share this data with others, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the page. You will be given the option to share a link to your social media toolkit or to export the data as a PDF or CSV file. If you want to share the link, simply copy and paste it into an email or messaging platform. If you prefer to export the data, select the file type and format you want to use, and then click on the Export button. When sharing the Semrush social media toolkit, it is essential to consider the level of access you want to grant to others. You can choose to share the data in a read-only format, or you can grant editing permissions to allow others to make changes to your social media strategy. Best practices for sharing the Semrush social media toolkit include setting clear goals and objectives for your social media campaign, tracking your performance regularly, and adjusting your strategy as needed. By following these steps and using the Semrush social media toolkit effectively, you can optimize your social media presence and improve your online engagement. In addition to sharing the toolkit, you can also use the Semrush social media toolkit to schedule posts, track your competitors, and analyze your audience. By leveraging these features, you can gain a deeper understanding of your social media performance and make data-driven decisions to drive your online marketing strategy forward. Overall, sharing the Semrush social media toolkit is a straightforward process that can help you collaborate with others and optimize your social media presence. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can unlock the full potential of the Semrush social media toolkit and take your online marketing to the next level.